Hey guys, what's going on? Mike with Male Mentality here, and continuing the testosterone replacement therapy video series. Today I'm going to talk about the type of testosterone I am taking and why I chose injectable over pellets and gel form. First and foremost though, guys, I'm doing these videos really to help you out. I'm doing these videos because when I was, I've been doing testosterone replacement therapy now for 2 years. So I've learned a lot about it. I understand it. I know, a lot of pros and cons to testosterone replacement. And, I want to share that information with you guys. That way, if I can help in any way, shape, or form, I'm here for that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I will reply and I will answer your questions if you leave a question in the comments. So anyways, back to the injectable versus pellets versus gels. So gels were never an option for me. I didn't like the idea of the gels, so I never really even thought about it. The gels just didn't seem to make a whole lot of sense to me. I didn't like the idea of getting a tube full of testosterone and rubbing it onto your skin, not knowing whether it got fully absorbed or not knowing if it was still on your skin or on your clothes, if you hug your wife, if it get absorbed into her skin, so I just did not like the idea of the gels. So I was between the pellets and the injections. The pellets seemed really good to me. I like the idea of the pellets because you get basically an incision in your ass and the pellet gets stuck, gets put there and it's there for about 6 months and you don't ever have to do anything with it. It's just there and it's, injecting testosterone into your bloodstream as you go. And then the injectables was something that, you have to inject once a week, twice a week, maybe if you decide to do it that way. So I really liked the idea of the pellets at first until I started to do some research on the way the testosterone gets into your blood. And at the beginning you've got your high amounts, and then towards the end of the 6 months, you're basically back to where you were because all of the testosterone has been injected into your bloodstream, and you could probably, more than likely, from what I've heard in the videos that I'd seen other people, they felt like shit again, for the last month or so. Whereas the injectables, it still has, a similar up and down, situation to it where, due to the half-life of the testosterone, you're way up after about 2 days, and then by the time you do your injection again, if you're doing, once a week, you're dropped back down to, not near what the level you started at, but you're up and down and you're up and down. So for me to combat that up and down, I do my injections twice a week. So I inject half my dosage on Sunday and half my dosage on Thursday. That way it levels me out throughout the entire week. I don't have ups and downs. At the beginning I did, once a week, my whole entire injection. And, I did experience the ups and downs. Even when my blood work was drawn, I was really high about 3 days into it and then kind of lower, towards the end right before I got my injection. Now, don't have that issue at all because I do it twice a week. I feel absolutely fantastic. I love it. So, that's why I chose the injections.